Hi, my name is Karen. I came to Biologix Center after being diagnosed and treated for Lyme's, Babesia, COVID, a bunch of things. It was May of 2022 when I was diagnosed. Started treatment in there, got COVID. So it was quite a mess. I went to a um, infectious disease doctor in New York City who told me basically, yeah, what do you expect? I'm getting older. Then that summer, I was going for a procedure and I found the pre-op EKG and they told me I was at heart failure. I proceeded to many heart failure specialists who wanted to just put me on medication. And I said, absolutely not. I have to be a nurse. And I said, I need to know the etiology, the reason for it. Finally, I got them to put me on an IV, but the other doctor looked at me and said, what are you going to do when Vibes comes back? I said, I'll deal with it then. So in the course of the next year, it started to come back, and I found Biologic Center. So I did some research. I do a lot of research, not just Google. I look at the scientific research. And I kept pursuing it because I wasn't giving up on life, that's for sure. When it first came in February of 2025, I wasn't sure it would work. And I said, well, maybe it'll just be like a big spa and I'll relax. But it's so much more. It gave me my back. After doing the treatment, by April, I started coming around. By June, my brother visited and he looked at me and said, Karen, you're back. It was such a nice feeling. Here they did all kinds of treatments to detox my body, to get rid of inflammation, and to bring it into balance. And that's the difference. People should realize the human body is amazing and it will heal itself if it's given the proper tools. There's a place for medicine and it does help and cure certain things, but conventional medicine only looks specifically at treating with pharmaceuticals and dismisses the entire body and how it can heal itself. That's when we have a serious problem. This place is just ages ahead, and it takes what you have and helps the body to correct itself. And that's the best way.